So I watched a YouTube video. Truck wouldn't crank. I'm stuck at the gas station. I get here and I always keep some extra fuses. Truck's got 174,000 miles on it. Never really give me any problems at all. But I watch somebody else's video and they tell me to check the fuse. There's a fuse here where you see the piece is broken, it's burnt up. There's also a number 8 relay here. Check the relay, replace it with the relay that was here, and put it here, and it still didn't crank. So I came back, pulled this plug, and guess what? There it is. Burn up big as day. If I can snatch that bad boy out of there. Which doesn't seem like I can from here. Get some needle nose pliers. But anyway, I'll replace it and keep fuses in my truck, man. I've replaced one before. And just so ironically, man, that here comes a 20 amp fuse again. That's gonna save the day. Good luck. Hope this helps somebody.